G'day guys, it is Trav here from Neighborhood. Are you wanting to review and optimize your Google Ads performance through Google recommendations or within HubSpot? This quick HubSpot how-to will run you through exactly that, as well as some best practices right along the way. Now, as a heads up, this applies to all Marketing Hub professional and enterprise levels to utilize this feature. But if you're keen on more practical support inside HubSpot, Neighborhood does offer a comprehensive, easy to follow course so that you're making the most out of HubSpot. It even comes with a money back guarantee. To find out more, check out the link in the description below. But if you want to take today's learning offline though, we'll include a free downloadable PDF in the description below. So you're looking to apply the Google recommendations right inside HubSpot. Sure, it can get a little bit confusing if you're jumping into Google Ads and then also jumping into HubSpot. Usually, if you're running a fairly simple operation, you probably don't want to be going cross-browser and basically managing two platforms. The guys at HubSpot have it sorted, and they have all the recommendations that are actually getting recommended to you inside Google, right inside HubSpot, so you don't necessarily need to leave the platform at all. In my opinion, probably a little bit easy to digest. There's a lot less going on. It's a little bit more simplistic to manage as well. So let's dive in and find out where we can find these and actually sift through them all. So we are here on the dashboard, and what we want to do is we want to go up to marketing and go to ads. This here's our demo account that we've got tagged up here. So you can sort of see that we've got a bunch of information, and if you've got this stuff running at the moment, this is what it would look like. What you want to try and do is you want to go over to the left-hand side and you'll see ad campaigns, ad sequences, drafts, and recommendations. If you click on recommendations, what will happen is that they've got a bunch of recommendations that you should do. Now, these are getting pulled directly from Google. For me, it's probably a little easier to digest from a recommendation standpoint. So go through those and you can implement those as you see fit. I will say as well with this is that don't just go through and apply them all because Google's main MO is to make more money. So it will definitely do recommendations to help obviously increase budgets and whatnot. So whilst it does provide a lot of value to a lot of businesses, my main recommendation is to look at the recommendations in detail and see if they're actually right for you and whether you actually think that they're right for you, because there has been a lot of reports that a lot of the recommendations that they do are recommending an increase in budget, but we have not yielded the results set that is needed for that specifically. So take it, I won't say take it with a grain of salt, but definitely when you're doing this part through, make sure that you're understanding what it is and actually testing it as well, and not just going through and actually implementing all of them, because that's definitely not the right thing to do. And there you have it. You now know how to apply Google Ad recommendations right inside HubSpot. If you're wanting to make the most out of your HubSpot investment, Neighborhood offers a step-by-step course covering marketing, sales, service, and CMS Hub in depth, ensuring you and your team are best serving your customers while developing efficient internal processes. Now, we'll leave a link in the description below for this. If you're after a PDF version of what we've learned today, or you're passing it to a mate in need, we'll include a link in the description as well. And if you've gained value from this video and you're keen to find out more about HubSpot, make sure you hit that subscribe button as well. But for now, happy HubSpotting.